Want to hear me? Nice to meet you and welcome to Odoo Experience 2018. Um, I'm sure this will be an amazing experience for you and I hope you will enjoy the Belgian atmosphere here. So yes, just welcome and let's start with the first talk of the day. So, can anyone hear me? For this talk, so my name is Julien.
Nice to meet you
I'm
and
a
welcome to
functional
Odoo Experience
consultant in Odoo,
2018.
and I work. Today, I'm going to present you the
I'm sure this will be
multi-channel
an amazing
sales,
experience for you,
how to
and I
manage
hope you
a
will enjoy
retail
the
company in
Belgian
Odoo.
atmosphere here.
So basically,
Yes, just
selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What we
day.
can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my your name is
Nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like
Odoo
let's say a
Experience
website,
2018.
a shop,
And
you have
work
multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be if you
an
have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you,
it's really
and
difficult
I hope
to
you will
manage
enjoy
your
the
company.
Belgian
In
atmosphere
Odoo,
here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What we
day.
can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
a shop,
And
you have
work
multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you
an
have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my your name is
Nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
a shop,
And
you have
work
multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
a shop,
And
you have
work
multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
a shop,
And
you have multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
a shop,
And
you have multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
a shop, you have
And
multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
and
And
you have multiple
today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in
welcome
Odoo has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you
welcome
have
to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
and you have multiple
Today I'm going to
channels.
present you the
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in Odoo
welcome
has never
and
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer
meet you
and
and
you have
welcome to
like let's say a
Consultant
website,
2018.
and you have multiple
Today I'm going to
channels.
present you
I'm sure this will be
if you have
amazing
multiple
experience for
softwares,
you
it's really
to
difficult
manage
to
retail
manage the
company.
Belgian Odoo
In Odoo,
atmosphere here.
everything
So
is
basically,
integrated.
yes, just
Selling in Odoo has never
welcome
been that easy.
let's start with the first talk of the
What
day.
we can say that yeah,
Can
sure.
anyone
If
hear
you
me?
for this talk, so my
Your
name is
nice to
retailer.
meet you.
So you see, it's really easy. So you take nice pictures, you can upload your pictures and invite them to register to your events. You can send them, And later, of course, you can get analyze the success of your campaign thanks to precise KPIs, like let's say this many opened your email, this many replied, how many clicks you have, and you will see that you can analyze all of your mail campaigns through this application. We're going to go through a bit into B2B sales management. So you say, as a black and white company, we have a lot of opportunities, like in India, Australia, China, whatever it is. So in Odoo, thanks to the CRM application here, we managed the sales pipeline. So basically, in Odoo, you have a pipeline like this with all of the stages, and you can create opportunities that go through stages and stages. So let's say, yeah, I have an opportunity for 1,000 t-shirts for an Australian client, potential clients. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create an opportunity. The opportunity looks like this. So you have the potential partner here, and you can set like an expected revenue to this opportunity. You can set a priority, set the tags, set some tags, sorry, and you can also create activities like create an appointment, plan a next call for this client. So let's say we're going to take this example with the t-shirts to Australia. So on this opportunity, directly from there, I can create a quotation. So I'm going to call my client, and yeah, we agree on something, and I would like to send him a quotation. So I click on my opportunity, and from my opportunity here, I have a button to create a quotation. So as black and white, we're going to we're going to make officially a quotation for this potential client. So we click on this quotation, and yeah, what happened next? Yeah, of course, we sell. So what we do is like we agree on a price, and we decide to make a sale. So it becomes a sale order. It comes from a quotation to a sale order. We agreed on a price, yeah, 1,000 quantity for a unit price of 23.99. And that's it. We sold the product. And what we can do next? Well, we have an employee called Catherine. She's working in logistics. So what she needs to do, of course, is deliver the products to Australia. So what we do is that Catherine, she's an Odoo user, and she will have access to the inventory application. And when she enters it, okay, I have a delivery to do. Okay, let's open the delivery. And yeah, she has to deliver a white t-shirt, 1,000 white t-shirts to to Australia. And that's it, basically. She will pack it, like deliver it, and that's it. And in the system, everything is in the system. So related to my sale order, I see my delivery here. So if I click from here, I access directly to the delivery. So you can track everything, and everything is in your database. What is the next step? Well, we have John. John is our accountant for Black and White Company. John is working, so as I said, as an accountant, I need to make the invoices and to send them to our customers. So basically, John will see the invoice. He's going to check, yeah, is this account good? Okay, analytic account. Okay, so special accounting things that we're not going to go through today. And yeah, it's going to check the invoice and send it to our client. In Odoo, you can know everything about your client. So this is a customer, Tom Rees. So let's say he's coming to our shop in Brussels, and he say, hey, yeah, last time I bought something, it was not good, and I'm a really good customer of yours. Could you please make me a discount? So okay, I don't know. I'm gonna check on on his contact form, and in Odoo, here appears the number of sales made for these customers and the total amount invoiced. So if I click here, I will see all the sales with the details of the products that have been sold to him. So basically, just if imagine you're in your shop on your computer, you have Odoo, and you open like the customer form, and then we see all the previous sales that have been done with this customer. Of course, it is the same for the B2B. It's just like an example to show you that in Odoo, everything is integrated. So on the partner, you see all the sales that are related to this guy. And we can go even further. Is he a special member? Well, you will know that in Odoo we manage the different price list onto the customer. So let's say, yeah, I can see on the contact form that this customer is a golden customer. So okay, maybe I'm gonna make him a discount because he's worth it. That's it. So you know everything about him, and everything is integrated into the single database. Let's go more into the B2C e-commerce. The B2C e-commerce is, so we have a website, black and white. We sell products online on our websites. Here is the B2C process. So we need to make stock management. So because we don't need to, it's for both shops and websites. So of course in our shop, if we have like 30 white t-shirts, it's too much. We need to manage the stocks. Of course, on the online websites, people need to be able to make orders and pay online. We do that in Odoo. We need to manage the delivery. Everything is done in Odoo as well. So if someone pays online, we're going to manage the delivery online as well. The invoicing process as well. If John, our accountant, needs to invoice, yeah, he's going to do it, even though it's a sale from a point of sale, a shop, or anything. So we need to manage our stocks. So let's say we have a long sleeve t-shirt. Okay, nice picture here. And in our shop, we don't want more than 100 quantity. So we can set a reordering rule here, which says that minimum quantity 12, maximum is 100. What happens? Basically, if in our shop, someone buys t-shirt and the quantity of this product goes below 12, well, the system will do is automatically create a request for quotation to your vendor to buy some of these products to reach the minimal quantity, so that you never go below this quantity. So in your database in Odoo, everything is integrated so that you can manage your shops, your websites, manage your stocks so that you don't lose track of your stocks. Here is the website. So in the website, you have this is our website. So we sell a cap, okay, a white short, t-shirt, and so on. And the customers goes onto the shop and they can select the color. To go through more about how to build an awesome website, I invite you to go tomorrow to one of my colleagues' presentation, which will be how to build a nice e-commerce website. It's tomorrow afternoon, so that you know. And his name is Julien as well, so must be amazing. I invite you to go there. Of course, your customers are able to pay online. This seems obvious. In Odoo, we have a lot of integrations. So we have an integration with PayPal, wire transfer, like Authorize.net, Stripe. You can just set your login in Odoo, and you will be able to activate this option so that your customers can pay online. This can be really useful, especially if you sell like overseas in other countries and so on. What happens next? Of course, once you sell, you need to deliver. So once someone makes an order online, you have a sell order that is created. So here I bought something online, and the user in Odoo will see the sell order. And of course, he has to deliver as well. So we deliver the quantity. So what I say basically is that someone makes an order online. You see the sale order in your sales application in Odoo. And Catherine, our logistic manager, will go into her inventory application and she will know what product needs to be delivered and where. Everything is integrated. It is the same for the shops. You may have shops, websites, both of them at the same time, selling B2B. Everything is in the same database. You can manage now multiple websites in Odoo by one click, and I invite you to check as well the presentation of my colleague, which is this afternoon, which is about what are the new features of the multiple websites ability in Odoo. So here, let's say, yeah, why not? I have also bike equipments. I sell also bike equipments, and just in one click, I can switch from one website to my website of clothes, black and white. So in one click, in one database, for one company, you can have multiple websites. You can manage different brandings. You can have different businesses. Everything can be done in only one database. We're going to go through now about the shops. So shop is a bit easier, of course. Someone goes onto your shop in Brussels, into our shop in Brussels to buy black and white clothes. So thanks to our barcode system, we can we can set a barcode to every product in Odoo. So still in the same database, you have a barcode for every product. So someone is coming into our shop, is taking like a few t-shirts or a few caps, I don't know. We're gonna scan them. It's gonna be related to our Odoo platform. And here, what happens here is that in the point of sale application, the people will be able, the seller will be, the salesperson, sorry, will be able to see, yeah, he took one black L t-shirt and a white small t-shirt, and you have the total amount. What happens next is, of course, the customer needs to pay. So we just, it's a pretty easy process. So first of all, the total amount was 25.30. The customer gives 30, and you get the change to give to give back. So it's 470, and you can validate. Odoo POS will automatically will invite you to print the receipts to give to your customers. So the POS application is really useful as well. It can work on a tablet as well to manage your shops and your business of the retail in Odoo. What can be done in after-sales management? So basically, yeah, what if a customer wants to make a return? So this guy who bought us a few t-shirts wants to make a return because he's not satisfied with the products he got. Well, okay, so I'm gonna go, I'm not gonna go, but my logistic manager, called Catherine, as you know, she's gonna go onto the stock move related to the sale order that have been created in the system for the shop, and she's gonna return the products just by clicking here, and here opens a window. Yeah, do you want to refund the client? Yes or no, and click return, and then she needs to, of course, deliver, take back the product. And that's it. It's as easy as that. In Odoo, of course, we simplify the decision-making process. This is really important, especially if we need to compare our revenues. So we have revenues from B2B, we have revenues from e-commerce, and we have revenues from our shops. So we need to compare them, make analysis. Everything, as I said, is still in one database. So here I can compare the revenue I have. So here's the total amount. I make 50% of my business in point of sale, 43% in the B2B business, and 7% on my website. which is quite low. You can compare. You can have graphics that can compare your figures over the time. You can decide a lot of measures. So you can take like total amount, number of orders, number of products sold. You can filter by product. You can basically the sales reporting is really useful because you can go through all of it and filter on anything and have different views. So as I showed you here, we have the pie. And here we have like more traditional graphic histogram. So here is like the weeks. So we've gone from 10,000, $300 dollars to up to $91,134 in just 5 weeks, which is amazing. So there it is. So as a conclusion, we've been using all of these applications in this presentation. In Odoo, everything is integrated. So we've been using email marketing to catch clients. We use a CRM to manage our sales pipeline and call our clients, potential clients. We've been using sales. So we created quotation from the CRM application and make a sell order. Then we've been to the contact to see, yeah, is it a real good customer or not? We have Catherine, our logistic manager, who was managing all the deliveries. We have John, our accountant, who was managing the invoices and the accounting reports. And we have also our e-commerce shop, and we have our physical shops. So all of this was in one database. We have multiple businesses, multiple channels, and everything is in one database. So the one system for all the channels. It's really simple. Thank you so much. Do you have any questions for me? Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm going to get closer to you because, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same product. Same product.